Let's see what's inside this box. A storage bag. It has 2 pockets, instructions, which I always appreciate, 2 accessories, one for curly hair and one for straightening. Here's the actual dryer. You just spin the handle and there you go, you've got your dryer. It's a very sleek design, and the cord comes with a silicone wrapper so you can keep it nice and organized. It fits inside the bag amazing. Just spin it closed. You can even fit your accessories in there, which makes it very easy to travel with. I love that. Let's see how well this dryer works. I left my hair wet just for this video. When you turn it on, you can change how high or how hot you want it. My overall thoughts after using this, I love the design that it's easily foldable and can easily travel with this amazing travel bag. The airflow feels more gentle on my hair, and it definitely left it feeling smooth and not as damaged. So that's a huge plus. The accessories are really usable. I've never actually used accessories before, and these accessories were very easy to put on and they made sense in how you use them. This is a very high quality hair dryer. I love how it dried my hair. I love the packaging. You could give it as a gift. I also love that the travel bag is so awesome. Check this one out, VENTRIS BlitzFlow.